Parweld's air and water-cooled Fume MIG torches have been designed to the highest industrial standards. Front-end consumables are finished so they are lightweight and durable, fully insulated from the net conductor and fully sealed to prevent vacuum ingress into the welding gas chamber. A large opening suction nozzle design ensures maximum volume of flow at the front end, removing welding fume efficiently. Our grip handle is designed with our tried and tested grip geometry, and the handle size has been kept to a minimum without reducing the vacuum and flow volume. The perfect grip is combined with balance and low weight to reduce operator fatigue. A thumb adjustable sliding vent to allow vacuum regulation when required, for example, reducing front-end suction when in tight corners. Our handle ball joint has been adapted so that it is fully sealed, minimizing vacuum losses at the same time as increasing maneuverability for the welder.